If you ever need to see the status of charts while a strategy is running, there's a way to inspect them. Let's see how to do that. Be sure the fuel monitor chart is displayed in the window. If not, click on its tab or double-click it in the strategy tree. With your strategy open in config mode, click on Debug to save, download, and run the strategy. Down below, the chart status indicates running. Open Inspect windows for the fuel level reading float variable and another for the fuel level pot analog input point. Fuel level reading is constantly being updated because the strategy is running. Turn the control knob and both values are updated. Here's another way to see the status of the charts to see if they're running or not. Double-click Charts from the strategy tree. Notice the fuel monitor and freezer door charts are running and the power-up chart is stopped. The power-up chart is stopped because it has flow-through logic. It doesn't loop around. The other two charts have logic that keeps looping around. Double-click Fuel Monitor or click View. If you click on an arrow in the status field, you'll see that in addition to the running state, there's a suspended state and a stopped state. Use the arrows in the status field to change the status to stopped and click Apply. Notice the chart status below changed to stopped. Turn the control knob. The input point, fuel level pot, continues to update, but the float variable fuel level reading isn't updated. That's because the chart isn't executing the commands that update the value. Change the chart status back to running and click Apply. Turn the potentiometer knob and you'll see the fuel level reading values updated again. Go ahead and close all of the inspect windows. We've just seen how to inspect the status of our charts and modify their states while in debug mode.